In this video, I'll show you how to create tax groups. In many countries, the government allows businesses to register as a tax group and file a consolidated tax returns. For example, several entities under common ownership that use a single consolidated accounting system may be registered as a tax group and treated as a single taxable person for VAT purpose. To create a tax group or have this functionality, go to Administration, General Settings, enable the option Enable Tax Groups under the Taxes setting. Once this option is enabled, a tax group functionality will be available under the Master Data of Taxes module. Once click on tax group, you can find the list of tax groups available under the database. To create a tax group, click on create option and add all the relevant data. That is, provide a name for the group, enter the TRN, specify the date of this group registration, add the entities as its members. Also, the entity must have zero balance of its tax payable or tax receivable accounts. For example, let's enter the description of this tax group, the TRN of this group, the tax group member date. Once done, add the entities. Please note, as you add the entities, a tax group must have one representative member that will be filing VAT returns on behalf of the other ordinary group members. For example, since it's ABC company, the ABC Trading will be the representative member among them. Once a representative member is added, add rest of the ordinary group members. Once all the details are filled, click on Save option to save the group. You can create one or several tax groups. An entity can be either a separate entity, not included in any group, or a member of only one group. A group composition may change over time. Some existing members may quit from the group, while new members may join. When the group must be changed, you just don't need to create a new group. Instead, you can add or remove members. Entity membership in a group has a start, registration date, and end date. The end date is the date of the change in the group composition minus 1 day. All the changes are registered in the database and can be viewed using the option History, which is available on top of the form. Here you can view when and how the number of group members have changed. History of change is important because members of a tax groups are responsible for any VAT debt incurred in the period during which they were this group members. When tax documents are prepared for a specific tax period, the system will check the membership on the document date and use the data accordingly. To view in detail, click on the line. You can see the details about the period, the tax group, and each member under the tax group. Click on the Open option to view more in detail about the representative members and the entities added inside the group. That's how you can create a tax group in the database. Thanks for watching the video.